Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about the anatomy of the heart. And this is just going to be an overview of the gross anatomy of the heart and the chambers. So I'll just draw the heart up quickly here, and I'm going to draw this so that it's been dissected to show all the chambers of the heart and all the valves. So first of all, let's have a look at the way blood flows through the heart. Blood comes into the heart here and from here, and this comes from the body. This blood then enters this chamber here and flows down through here, then up through this chamber and out this vessel. It goes out to the lungs here and then comes back in through these veins here and here. Then the blood moves down through these two chambers and then back up through this valve and out through this vessel. Now I'm going to label these vessels now, and the chambers and the valves. So these two vessels are the vena cava. This is the superior vena cava. This is the inferior vena cava. The blood from them goes into the right atrium, and that's this chamber of the heart here. Then it moves through the tricuspid valve. It's named tricuspid because it has three cusps, into the right ventricle. Blood then flows out of the right ventricle through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary trunk. At this point, it goes to the lungs. Then, returning from the lungs, it enters the next chamber via the pulmonary veins. And this chamber it enters is the left atrium. Below the left atrium is the mitral valve, also known as the bicuspid valve because it only has two cusps. Then it flows into the left ventricle, which is the main pumping chamber of the heart. The blood then flows out through the aortic valve and out the aorta to the body. Now I'll just label some other things here. The pulmonary valve is this valve here at the proximal end of the pulmonary trunk. Here is the interventricular septum. This is the septum that lies between the two ventricles. Here is the apex, and finally, here is the aorta. And this is an overview of the anatomy of the heart. For more free tutorials and the PDF for this tutorial, visit www.handwrittentutorials.com.